Mistplay usually stops giving units when the app can't properly track your game session, when permissions reset after an update, or when the game you're playing no longer qualifies for rewards. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to check what's broken, how to fix tracking so units start updating again, and what to do if your missing units still don't show up after syncing. First thing to check is tracking permissions. Mistplay needs permission to track your app activity in the background. If those permissions get turned off, units won't register even if you're actively playing games. Go into your phone settings, find Mistplay, and make sure background activity and tracking permissions are allowed. If anything looks restricted, turn it back on and reopen the app. Next is the game session itself. Mistplay only awards units when you launch games through the Mistplay app and play them long enough for a valid session to register. If you open the game directly from your home screen, the session may not count. Close the game completely, reopen Mistplay, and launch the game again from inside the app. This forces a clean session tracking reset. Now, check for updates. If Mistplay or the game itself is outdated, tracking can break silently. Go to the App Store or Google Play and update both apps. After updating, restart your phone. This clears background glitches that often stop unit syncing from showing up right away. Another common issue is VPNs or battery saver modes. VPNs can interfere with location and activity verification, and aggressive battery settings can stop Mistplay from running in the background. Turn both off temporarily, and test a short gaming session to see if units start appearing again. If everything looks correct and you still see 0 units, the issue is usually delayed syncing. Mistplay sometimes updates rewards after a short delay, especially after longer play sessions. Fully close the app, reopen it after a few minutes, and refresh the rewards screen. If nothing changes after all of this, the final step is to contact Mistplay support inside the app. They can check whether your account is flagged, whether a specific game stopped being eligible, or whether units failed to register on their side. The fix usually comes down to permissions, proper in-app game launches, or syncing delays. Check tracking permissions first, always launch games through Mistplay, and keep both apps updated. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more quick fixes for reward apps and mobile tools.